Here we are doing another carpet cleaning, Jones Multinet. 514-704-3947. And we're going to be encapping this. So let's take a look at what we have here. And back in the 1980s, they used to put carpet even in the dining room. So let's see how bad all these stains are. There's quite a few. Alright, so right now, Natalie is actually passing out the vacuum. And we will be back to show you how this equipment and technology works. Dry time about 60 to 90 minutes, guys. Not overwetting, no mushrooms involved, no bacterias. Smells amazing, okay? So you have to take advantage of this technology. You don't always need tons of water. You need the right product, and we do carry it. So we'll talk later. Now here is the difference from before and after. You see this? And it will be dry in about 60 minutes. And please note that this has not been done in 15 years. And it's turning out wonderful. Any information, call us today, 514-704-3947, Jones Multi Net.